Every great journey starts with a single step. Today I'll tell you a story about Aarav, a young man from a small village, whose courage to take that first step changed his life forever. Aarav was passionate about engineering and wanted to help his community. But there was one thing holding him back. He was afraid to speak in English. Whenever he heard others speak fluently in English, he felt small, unsure, and afraid. What if people laughed at him for making mistakes?
Aarav, don't be afraid of making mistakes. English is just a language, not a measure of your intelligence. You only need to practice, step by step.
Her words stayed with him. That night Aarav made a decision. He would learn to speak English no matter how hard it seemed. He started with the basics, learning new words and simple sentences. Every evening, he practiced speaking in front of a mirror, sometimes stumbling, but never giving up. He listened to English videos, repeated phrases, and even started reading books with translations. Slowly, he began to improve. A few months later, Aarav had a chance to present his invention at a science fair. But this time, he had to explain everything in English. His heart raced as he stood before the crowd.
This is my robot. It helps farmers sow seeds faster and easier.
Though his English wasn't perfect, Aarav's message was clear. His passion shone through, and the crowd applauded. Aarav didn't win first place, but he won something far more valuable: confidence. He realized that making mistakes was part of the learning process. Today, Aarav is not only an engineer, but also a mentor, teaching others how to overcome their fears and learn English, step by step.
Don't be afraid to try. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every mistake you make is a step closer to success.
Don't be afraid to try. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every mistake you make is a step closer to success. Aarav's journey reminds us that learning something new, like speaking English, is about courage, patience, and persistence. If Aarav can do it, so can you. Take that first step, and one day you'll look back and be amazed at how far you've come.
Let's learn some useful vocabulary from Aarav's journey. Passion means a strong feeling of enthusiasm or love for something. Example, Aarav had a passion for engineering. Confidence means trusting your abilities. Example, Aarav gained confidence by practicing English every day. Mistake means an error or something incorrect. Example, making mistakes is a part of learning. Improve means to make something better. Example, Aarav improved his English by practicing daily. Inspire means to encourage someone to do something great. Example, Aarav's story inspires us to overcome our fears. Use these words in your daily practice to improve your English.